Alright, y'all. We come outside Home Depot trying to find Jess, and Jess is over here trying to escape. She jumped in that thing right there and tried to take off. Jess, wave. She gonna meet us inside Home Depot on that. Well, we come up here to Home Depot to get some welding rods and stuff like that. You know how kids are. Well, let me show you how the BAMA Mudmower. This is what he doing. He up here trying to test ride the new John Deere. And then you got J-Dub trying to escape on the Club Cadet.
He ain't got no damn gear shift.
He over here looking for the gear shift.
Ain't walking.
Well, mine's on the other side. See, I'm going down Highway 85.
Jess is over here practicing.
Ready?
I'm ready.
They gonna race them things to the store.
I ain't got no key. No, that's your height thing. This is push-pull.